Sahar here. In this video, we will learn the differences between the process of digitizing and vectorizing an artwork. Digitizing is the course of actions that we take to convert a physical artwork into a digital version of it. The first and the most important step of digitizing an artwork is to properly scan it into a raster image. When we digitize an artwork, we normally would do more than just scanning and making a raster file. In most cases, digitizing includes some enhancing and editing as well. Apart from having extra adjustment or not, digitizing an artwork will give you a raster image. How about vectorizing? Vectorizing is the process of converting a raster image into a vector graphic. So in order to digitize, you need a non-digital artwork, a physical hand-drawn art on paper. But in order to vectorize, you need a raster image. Thank you so very much for watching all the way to the end. My name is Sahar Hoymese and I see you next time.